Hello and welcome to Butler.Head.Quarters, and today we're with Lacy. This is part 3 of getting a noise clean and presentable. I'm going to be doing the engine today and the boot door shuts. This is going to be the last but one episode. I think we're going to do an hour overview of the car and look at what we've done. And some information from the old girl. What we'll be using today is nothing fancy. It is the cheapest of the cheap from Poundland. And it's dirty bike, no more dirty bike. Fast acting bike cleaner. I'm thinking bikes get dirty, get muddy. There's a lot of dirt in here, plus on bikes there's chains and stuff, it's delicate. So I'm thinking this will be perfect for the engine bay. Now this is what we're up against, folks. As you can see, it's not neglected, but it is dirty. So I've got some old rags. I'm going to just move this. Remind me to put this back on, remind me. That's to stop the battery from shorting out of the floor. I'm just going to do a bit of a test patch on this turret here. Now I'd assume those are airbag sensors up there, I'd assume. That's what it's saying. Now we're not going to 100 on this because the owner just like to keep his own cars clean, but I'm going for a nice wow. That's what I'm going for, a wow. It is a little bit cleaner. Now again, with the phase of the old car, it's not 100% flawless. The new owner is going to want to give out the car himself and get up on with it without only cleaning and doing stuff too. But he wanted to get a good chunk of basically all the rubbish stuff out the way, which is what I'm doing. And now we're going to apply some automotive vinyl care to the engine bay, and you'll really see it pop then. And that is the end to the finish, really. Poundland pink dirty bike and auto clean rubber care. An engine what looks like that. Is it 100%? No. Could you work and could you put more time in with brushes and special brush and adapter? Of course you could. If I was the owner and if this was staying with me and the owner wanted me to go into that, then I'd do it. But she's a 1993 car. And you open a bonnet and it looks perfectly okay, perfectly fine. And the average person would say it's a clean engine, and that's the overall objective with a car, with the interior and with the body. So if you like this content, please like, subscribe and comment. If you have like this series, let us know, because we can do more stuff like this. But I'd like to say thanks for watching, people. Until next time, bye bye.